The world of reality television has been transformed by TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters, a series that follows the dramatic lives, health journeys, and family dynamics of siblings who battle obesity, fame, and personal struggles. While much of the spotlight has long been on Tammy and Amy Slayton, the sisters whose weight loss stories first captivated millions of viewers, new attention has recently turned toward Brittany Combs, a recurring figure in the wider family circle. Brittany, who is known to fans for her appearances in earlier episodes and her occasional presence on social media discussions around the Slaytons, is sparking major conversation now for a reason fans didn't entirely expect. Reports, speculation, and online chatter suggest that Brittany Combs may have begun a serious weight loss journey of her own, and not just for appearances or television but for the most meaningful reason of all, her health. The question that is buzzing around fan communities is simple yet powerful. Did Brittany Combs lose weight to better her health, and what does this mean for her future, her role in the show, and her relationship with the rest of the cast? For viewers who have followed the Slayton family for years, Brittany's presence has always carried intrigue. She is not as central to the show as Amy or Tammy, yet she has remained connected to the storylines through family gatherings, online interactions, and her candid takes on the sisters' decisions. Unlike Amy and Tammy, whose weight loss surgeries and rehabilitation journeys have been charted in detail for cameras, Brittany's life has been more private. Still, long-time watchers know she has faced her own struggles with weight and health. In fact, her situation often mirrored the struggles of her cousins and extended family members, reminding fans that obesity within the Slayton Combs family tree has been a generational battle. For Brittany, though, the whispers of change suggest a personal transformation that could be even more powerful than what was shown on screen. The first wave of speculation came from observant fans online, particularly in social media groups devoted to 1000 LB Sisters. Side-by-side pictures began surfacing of Brittany from older family events compared with more recent sightings, and viewers were quick to point out noticeable differences. Her face appeared slimmer, her posture more confident, and her overall appearance radiated a healthier glow. Some fans suggested it could be the result of photo angles or lighting, but others swore the change was genuine and significant. This opened the floodgates of curiosity. Had Brittany taken a page from Tammy's incredible post-surgery transformation or Amy's ongoing battle to balance motherhood and self-care? Part of the fascination with Brittany's potential weight loss stems from the wider context of the show itself. Over the last several seasons, audiences have witnessed Tammy Slayton, once bedridden and near death, shed over 500 pounds after bariatric surgery and rehab. Amy, too, though facing setbacks, has pursued weight loss while navigating divorce and raising 2 children. Their arcs symbolize resilience, setbacks, and breakthroughs. But the ripple effect of their journeys has not stopped at the 2 sisters. Other family members like Chris Combs, Mishti, and Amanda have also received support and encouragement, leading to health changes of their own. For Brittany, who has often been seen cheering from the sidelines, it makes sense that such a wave of transformation might inspire her to take action for herself. The question then becomes, why now? For many individuals facing long-term weight issues, a turning point often comes when health concerns reach a critical stage. Brittany, like others in her family, has reportedly dealt with high blood pressure, fatigue, and mobility issues in the past. Though not always documented in detail for television, these struggles were hinted at in passing conversations within the show. Fans speculating about her current path believe she may have received a wake-up call, perhaps from a doctor's warning, a personal scare, or even just a realization that time is precious and health cannot be postponed. Some also think that watching Tammy nearly lose her life to obesity-related complications may have served as a powerful motivator. If Tammy could fight back from the brink of tragedy and inspire millions, perhaps Brittany saw proof that her own turnaround was possible. In fan discussions, another theme has emerged: support. The Slayton family may be messy, loud, and filled with drama at times, but one thing 1000 LB Sisters consistently demonstrates is that their bond runs deep. The siblings may argue and clash, but they also rally around each other in moments of crisis. Tammy's hospitalizations, Amy's struggles as a mother, and Chris's efforts at surgery all became family matters. In that same way, it is entirely possible that Brittany has leaned on her cousins, siblings, and extended relatives during this new chapter. Having family members who have walked the same path means access to advice, shared doctors, emotional encouragement, and accountability. Unlike years past, where weight loss might have seemed like a lonely road, Brittany today would not be walking it alone. What's fascinating is how fans interpret Brittany's possible transformation as symbolic of a larger narrative. The 1000 LB Sisters franchise is no longer just about two women, it's about an entire family facing generational battles with obesity and learning, slowly but surely, to break the cycle. Brittany stepping into that story with her own changes shows how one person's progress can inspire another's, creating a ripple effect of positivity. Viewers who struggled with weight themselves often write online that seeing people like Brittany try gives them courage to do the same. Even without being a central cast member, her example could resonate far beyond what TLC cameras capture. Still, many unanswered questions remain. Has Brittany truly lost a dramatic amount of weight, or are the changes more gradual? Did she undergo weight loss surgery like Tammy and Chris, or is she focusing on diet and exercise first? Has she been working with doctors, nutritionists, or perhaps even joining a rehab program similar to what Tammy experienced? Fans are desperate for confirmation, yet Brittany herself has remained relatively private compared to her outspoken cousins. That silence only fuels curiosity, as people wait for her to either confirm the rumors or surprise everyone with an official reveal. In the meantime, entertainment outlets and fan pages continue to speculate. Some tabloids suggest that Brittany might even become a more central figure in upcoming seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, especially if her weight loss journey unfolds dramatically. TLC has a track record of expanding storylines when side characters become popular or when their arcs naturally align with He shows themes. For example, Chris Combs evolved from a supporting character into one of the show's emotional anchors. Could Brittany be next in line to have her story told? It's certainly possible, particularly if producers see that fans are invested in her progress. The cultural importance of this possibility cannot be understated. Shows like 1000 LB Sisters are not just guilty pleasure reality TV, they highlight real struggles with food addiction, obesity, self-worth, and family ties. By including more perspectives, especially those like Brittany's, the show could broaden its message and help more viewers feel represented. For fans who don't necessarily relate directly to Amy or Tammy but see themselves in Brittany's quieter, more reserved demeanor, this could be life-changing presentation. Of course, weight loss journeys are never easy, and Brittany's potential path will likely be filled with ups and downs. If she has indeed started focusing on her health, she will face the same temptations, frustrations, and emotional hurdles that her family has openly documented. Losing weight is rarely a straight line, it's a process of trial, error, setbacks, and victories. Viewers who have been following the Slayton storylines know this better than anyone, and they will surely offer Brittany the same patience, support, and cheerleading they have extended to Tammy and Amy. At its core, Brittany Combs' possible transformation speaks to the universal desire for self-improvement. Fans see in her story not just the battle of one woman, but the power of inspiration, the courage to change, and the importance of family support. Whether she chooses to publicly reveal her progress or keep it private, her decision to prioritize health carries meaning for herself and for those who look up to her. If the speculation proves true, it's a triumph worth celebrating, not because of numbers on a scale but because it represents taking control of one's future. For now, the spotlight remains partially dimmed, leaving fans in suspense. The whispers, photos, and speculation swirl, but only Brittany can confirm the truth behind the rumors. One thing is certain, however, in a world where the Slayton family's struggles and triumphs have touched millions, Brittany Combs stepping forward with her own health journey would be another powerful chapter in the ever-evolving saga of 1000 LB Sisters. Whether her story unfolds in front of cameras or behind the scenes, it's a reminder that change is always possible, and that the fight for health is one worth pursuing. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.